I thought I'd do an interesting video. I'm gonna do a EDC pocket dump. Yeah, okay. I'm out here this morning at the Cracker Bass because I'm having hand surgery in my hand. So I gotta wait. Not going in for about an hour, so I just gotta wait around. So this particular EDC is the absolute essentials of the basic core of my EDC, of the things that I have to bring with me, like have. So hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera around. This isn't my normal carry bag. I normally carry a backpack with all my gear in it, but this is like a grab and go kind of EDC because I'm having surgery in about an hour on my hand. So I'm out here at the Cracker Bass this morning. So this is the Maxpedition Fatty. This is just my kind of grab and go case. American flag on the front. I'll open it up for you. And these are the things that I carry. My phone charger. I got a pocket knife right there. A pen. Extra mask. My wallet. I got a peanut munch bar right here. I have my power bank for my phone for emergency juice, and then I have my Carpe Diem Memento Mori challenge coin. Carry that with me. Oh, and I also got a flashlight over here. 300 lumen flashlight. So those are the things that I need to carry with me when I go out all the time. Just have to have those. Another thing I would normally carry on me is a lighter, but I don't have it on me right now. So that's it. Hope you all have a great day. That was a little impromptu video. Find your Serene in Mad World. Have a great day. I appreciate you all. Later. I'm out.